This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Pull the hood release lever, located on the driver's side kick panel. Lift up the safety latch, raise the hood, and support it with the proper rod. Disconnect the negative battery cable before proceeding. Loosen the battery cable clamp bolt, then disconnect the cable from the negative battery post. Secure the terminal aside to prevent accidental reconnection during the procedure. Pry off the protective cap, then remove the nut from the battery positive cable on the alternator. Lift the battery cable off the alternator, then disconnect the remaining electrical connector from the alternator. Remove the drive belt. Remove the upper and lower alternator mounting bolts. Separate the alternator from the mounting bracket, using a pry bar to gently pry it if necessary, and withdraw the alternator from the engine. Install the alternator into the mounting bracket and thread the mounting bolts. Tighten the bolts securely. Install the drive belt. Install the alternator wiring connections. Tighten the battery cable nut on the alternator securely, then securely push the protective cap onto the nut. Connect the cable to the negative battery post and tighten the clamp bolts securely.